Hi everyone, this is Priya and I have recently joined the Marketing Accelerator Academy by Roota Mittal. It's her signature program. It's just been a month I have joined this course, and I'm saying this with just a little bit of experience, but what really attracted me towards this course was the FB group, and Roota Mittal is really such a great human being. She's always available for us. She always clears out every possible doubts for us, and there are many people in the FB group. They also are very interactive. They guide us, they help us, and it's an amazing experience. You will not even find the tension of finding a client. Oh my god, will I be able to find it or not? People are there to guide you, help you always, and Roota Mittal is obviously there. She's going to help you every way possible. She doesn't get angry or anything. You ask hundreds, thousands of questions, she's always supportive. That is the best part of this course, and I've enjoyed this course so far. Hoping to find a new client, my first client, very soon. I have just done 2 modules. I can't expect a client coming now only, but hopefully I'm going to finish the course. At least the first 3-4 modules fast, and I can't wait to get my own client and start my own freelancing business. I came to know about this course through a podcast she has already launched. It's called Be Your Own Boss. I kind of liked it. I was connected to the storyline. I just got through her webinar was super attractive, and finally I came through the course, and I could also attend her bi-weekly sessions, which is great. She clarifies every possible doubt, because she goes live then, and it's not like a pre-recorded session or something. It is a live video that she conducts bi-weekly, and she clarifies every possible doubt. She addresses everyone through the video, like any even like a minute doubt, she always guides us, sorry. So I have enjoyed this course. If you guys are interested, you can definitely go ahead, and it's amazing. It's an amazing course to take in. It's worth the money, worth the price, and even worth your time. And obviously, who doesn't want to do this freelancing job? Like, you're able to earn sitting at home is one of the best things of this course as well. And all of this is really has impressed me, and I'm hoping to enjoy this course even more. Bye.